Okay, let's just start slow. Say, hi, my name is Albert. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Hi, my name is Albert. He's like talking. Say, thanks for the raid, box. 3, 2, 1. Thanks for the raid, box. 3, 2, 1. Thanks for the raid, box. My name is Albert. I heard your name is Albert too. I can't, this is really hard.
Like Albert number 2 or Albert 2 like an as
T-O.
well?
T-O.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's a fucking ruby here. There's a ruby here.
Fuck, shampoo. Jodi, come.
What?
Jodi.
Party not ready. The game thinks I have friends? Does the game think I have friends? The only friend I have is Barry. And that was from when we played A Way Out.
Never donate to a Twitch streamer, okay? Even if you think they're struggling, they're not, believe me, okay? All these Twitch streamers make more money than most of our parents, okay? All these streamers make more than my parents. They probably make more than your, I don't know about your situation, but most of our parents, they make more, and then they play victim. Guys, I got no money. Yes, they do, okay? Because they make a lot of money. Even a streamer with 200 viewers makes about £1,000 to £2,000 above minimum wage, and they are sorted, mate. Okay, so that is true. So never donate to a streamer. Never subscribe unless you have Twitch Prime. Say if your mum has Twitch Prime, and you can just sub to a channel for free, then it's no skin off your teeth. Do you see what I mean? So yeah, Twitch Prime, obviously, to me. Because I get a free £5. You don't lose any money. That's easy clap.
Is it Dad?
I'm having an emotional moment, you stupid ass shark. Let me have it. You fucking piece of shit. I fucking almost killed you too, you stupid bitch.
I love you, Peter. I do. I really do. Peter's the best. Peter just has all the right intentions.
I'm sorry, I'm being really dumb right now.
Peter, they're trying to lead me to an entrance. Jodi, they're trying to lead me to an entrance. I have the stronghold key. What do I do with the fucking key?
I love you, Peter.
As a friend.
Okay, I'm gonna think of a good trick.
You can cough out a wedding ring. Oh, jeez. Got him!
Got him!
Oh, amazing.
No, when you come back,
No.
want to eat together?
Yeah. What? Yes. Why not?
Oh. Wait, I literally sounded like an ambulance going down the street.
Want to eat together?
Yeah. What?
Once you're there, we're gonna look for a place called Jersey Shore, okay? Jersey Shore. Do you know where that is?
No. Where is this going, Peter? What are you trying to say, Peter? Hey, Peter, what are you trying to say? Hey, Peter, say it to my freaking face, Peter.
Jersey Shore.
I need to restart the game, I think.
Wait.
I'm just getting connection.
That's fine. To restart the game. Me and Jodi are talking about our lives.
Skitty boop bop bop dum. Skitty keep pop pop.
The champion made a poor
And
choice.
boop boop. Oh, hey.
Where'd it go? I think they ran away.
Ain't no way.
I have the track
New
thing
kill
soon.
leader. Watch
Yeah, track him.
Okay, yeah, he went that way.
What way is that way?
The way you guys are going, I think. Yeah, this has been looted, it looks like. Yeah, he was here.
26 seconds go. Okay, yeah, keep going that way. Wait, that tracking thing is OP.
Bullfrog, thank you. Download, thank you. Soccer Star, thank
We're
you.
at least like 10 seconds behind him. I bet
How
he's
about
somewhere
here?
in the here. I bet.
Yeah. I bet
He's
you-
sweating. Fired, but 5 seconds and I can check again. Wow, she's.
Sorry.
What happened?
It was Lily. She spookied me. I'm so sorry for everybody whose ear I screamed in. Blame
they're-
twitch.tv/Lily
Wait, I don't
Pichu.
see him anymore.
Play a league game.
Donated $2. Bro, your nose dead ass like a double barrel shotgun.
Dude, my nose is not big. It's huge. You guys are fucking trolls. I swear on my life. We're not making this a thing.
In the shadow of the highest peak, I misread it. I apologize. So the shadow of this. Jodi.
So yeah, below, boom.
Jodi. Oh, there we are. Here we are. I found.
You found it?
Yep.
What's up?
How about we use the bottom card? No!
You're so stupid. What's the last letter?
Oh no! No! Okay, I don't trust myself. Here, use touch one.
This one.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
This one or?
this one.
Okay, this better not.
What?
Oh, saved!
You suck!
Saved!
You can't do that! Where's
Saved,
the
saved.
rain?
Saved.
No! That was fun. These are fun cards.
가끔씩 나도 모르게 짜증이 나.
Jodi, you have the voice of angels. Let it be known.
혹시 그냥 그다 이고 있었어. 난 그들다 나라는 거라는 거다 하지마 하지마. I mean, stop it. Thank you for the 2,000 love people. Thank you for the 3. June Humphrey, thank you for the 1,000 bitch. 하지마.
Come on, Mr. Apex. Come on. Let me in your game. Let me in. Please. No, seriously, please. I just want to learn. I just want to talk. Do you know Ipa is going to add gay porn?
Give me your banana, John.
I don't have any more.
Okay.
I only have one banana.
Okay.
That is disgusting. That's why you're not in a sock, bro, if you're too lazy.